Come and cook with Nene the chef. Let's learn fun recipes and fall in love with cooking.
Nene, wake up! Wake up, Nene! Today is Monkey Birthday! And we need to cook a yummy breakfast for today. We are going to cook a yummy cinnamon roll. Do you like it? Yes, let's go to the kitchen. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Nene. Nene, are you in self-control? Like in your taekwondo class? Yes? Nene? Hi, Nene. I was thinking that you were training for your bell testing. 2 more days for your bell testing. That's great, Nene. But right now, we are going to cook because it's the monkey birthday. So say hi to your friends. Hi, friends. Thumbs up and subscribe. Yes? Okay. And kick and punch and hand fan. Yes? Okay, Nene. We just say the kids what we are going to cook. So let's start. For the cinnamon roll, Nene, we need the same dough that we use for the sandwich, last day sandwich, okay? We need for that flour. What is the flour? Yes, we have here the sugar and salt. Oh, we are missing one ingredient, Nene. Let's guess, okay? Kids and Nene, do you remember what do we need for make the dough grow? Don't remember. Think. Baking powder? No, Nene. This help is almost. This help the cakes to grow. Yes, you know. But we are making bread, so we need something different. Kinetic sand? No, Nene, it's okay. You can play with that with your toys, but you cannot eat the kinetic sand. Kids, do you remember what we need? The name is yes. Active dry, yes. The baking soda and the baking powder is for make cakes and muffins and all those things. But if you want to make bread, and for the cinnamon roll, we need to make bread. We need the active yes. What the active yes made to the dough? It rolls up, okay? But Nene, what's the first thing that we need to do before cooking? No, Nene, this is the second thing. The first thing is your hands. Let's go. Wash your hands. And today, like the other day, we are not going to turn on the oven right now. Because when we make the dough need to double the sizes. Okay? So let's again, Nene. You always sneeze with the flour. Okay, Nene. We need 3 cups of flour. 3 cups of flour. This is what. 2. Nene is counting in Korean because Saturday he has his testing and he needs to count until number 10. And he needs to learn the tenants too. No?
Yeah.
That is courtesy, perseverance, self-control, indomitable spirit, integrity. There, good job. Uh-oh, you have a messy hand. Next step, Nene, in another bowl, you are going to mix the yeast, the sugar, and the warm water. We forgot to tell the kids that we need warm water. Okay, you will need half teaspoon of yeast, okay? Put here your half teaspoon. Here.
Uno.
Put there. Then you need 1 teaspoon of sugar.
Teaspoon.
The teaspoon is the bigger or the small one? The small one. Good job. Good job, Nene. Then next, the warm water. Both kids, remember, you need to have the supervision and authorization of your mom and dad to be in the kitchen, and you need to ask for help if you are going to cook with something warm. Put your gloves like Nene if you want to help with the warm water, okay?
Yeah.
Nene, we need 1 cup of warm water. Hold the cup like this, okay? 1 cup, put it there. Next step, we are going to mix the water, sugar, and the yeast. We are going to add the salt. We need half. What is the half? The 4 or the 2? Show the kids. The half is the 4 or the 2. Do you remember, kids, what is the half? No, Nene, wrong. It's the 1 and 2. Yes. Yeah, put it there. Good job, Nene. Next step, we are going to add the water here, and you are going to mix everything. First with the spoon and then with your hands. This is how Nene is mixing the water, sugar, salt, and right now he's going to use his hands to mix everything together. Mix everything together, Nene.
E, B, C, D, O, C, D, F, D, E, O, F, D, O, F, E, J, E, U, F, E, U.
Good job, Nene. Next step. No, wait. This is the messy thing. Show the kids your hand. Yes. I am going to put the dough in here for 5 minutes, okay? What is number 5? Yeah, but in English. Count until number 5. Yes, 5. Until you can see that it's elastic and shiny, okay? Almost. Show the kids your messy hands. This is the funny and messy part. Show the kids. Wow. Show the kids your dough. This is the dough. Next, you are going to put here border. Raise the ball with your hands. And then you are going to put the dough in the bowl. Like this, yes. And next, we'll cover the dough with plastic. Then, you will put the dough to rest for 1 or 2 hours, okay? In a warm place. For the dough to increase its size, to double its size, okay? And let's invite our friends to... Nene, what are you doing? It's a monkey party. Yes. Nene, but guess what? We have the dough The dough is all ready, and we are going to open. You can smell it. It smells delicious. I love and Nene loves the smell of the dough. Right now, you are going to punch it like the taekwondo, okay? Oh no, taekwondo Nene is here because we say taekwondo. It's not taekwondo, Nene. It's not Nene taekwondo. It's Nene the Chef Channel. Yes. Punch, 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 punch. You need to punch all the bubbles that you have in your dough. Okay. Next, Nene, you are going to knead the dough until the bubbles disappear. Okay. Knead the dough. Knead. Good. Oh, Nene, but one thing. I am going to turn on the oven to 350, okay? I almost forgot it. To 350, okay? Good job, Nene. We are going to put some flour here in the table. Uh-oh, it's raining flour. Next step, Nene. You are going to roll the dough and you are going to make a rectangle, okay? We need a rectangle. I will show. Good job, Nene. Good job. Next step, you are going to put butter in all the dough, okay? I am going to put the butter here and you are going to roll it in all the dough. Good job. Good job, Nene. Nene, we have here sugar with cinnamon, okay? We just mix sugar and cinnamon and you are going to put in the dough sugar and cinnamon. Yes, like this. Good job, Nene.
Hi, Mom!
This is how it looks. You are going to roll the dough like a cinnamon roll, okay? Good job. And then you are going to cut the dough like the shape of a cinnamon roll and you are going to put it here. Good job, Nene. Good. Good job. This is how it looks. We are going to put it in the oven for 15 minutes. Can you please open the oven? And next, it's time to clean up. Clean up. Clean up. Okay, Nene, we just clean up. But while we wait for the cinnamon rolls, we need to make the glaze for the cinnamon rolls. The yummy thing that is in the top of the cinnamon rolls. And how are you going to make it? You are going to put half cup of confection sugar. You are going to put half cup of confection sugar. This is quart, half. Half, remember, is 1 and 2. Half cup of confection sugar. You will put 1 tablespoon of milk. Good job, Nene. Then you are going to mix everything. Good, like this, Nene, until the sugar is dissolved with the milk. This is a yummy and delicious breakfast or delicious snack. And you can cook it in your house, kids, like Nene. No, Nene?
Yeah.
If you don't have confection sugar, you can make it by your own in your house. With regular sugar, you put it in the blender and press the button power and it makes a delicious confection sugar. We just have here the glaze. The cinnamon rolls are ready, Nene. And you and the monkey can have your breakfast. But Nene, before you eat your cinnamon rolls, invite your friends to...
Bye-bye. See you next week.
Thank you for watching. If you want to learn about any specific recipe, please write it in the comment section. Goodbye.